How to lock Instagram app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store, search App Lock. Click on App Lock Pro and download this app. After you've installed, open the app. Set your PIN, which should be 6-digit, and press on Create at the bottom. Again, type in the same PIN and press on Save at the bottom. Make sure you give permissions. After you've given permissions, in here search for Instagram, or in the search bar search for Instagram and click on Lock Like option. After you have done that, your Instagram will be locked. As you can see, there is blue lock on the right side. And this is how to lock Instagram app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.